Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and have you ever used a wrist support for your computer, laptop, or whatever it is, that just kind of gave you a little cushion, but had some storage in there? Oh man. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give a review? Can you give us a little overview, a detailed explanation of our here padded armrest for the old keyboard, laptop, whatever it is at the computer? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever will that infect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. Let me change the camera angle and give you a detailed explanation as far as what all this is and what's really cool about it. All right, so as you can see, this is an example. This would be sort of a, you could have a computer, keyboard, laptop, whatever it is, and from a comfort standpoint, you might want to have your wrist elevated a little bit with some cushion. And so as you can see here, this is a cushioned wrist support. Very, very nice. From a width standpoint, it measures right at 17 1/4 inch. And this way it's about just shy of 3 1/4 this way, and it sits off the table right at about 3/4 of an inch on the front side and about 1/2 inch on the back side closest to you. But what makes this really cool is that even though it does have this nice padded leather look to it, it is padded, kind of nice. It also double serves as a storage container. So it has a hard plastic inner layer underneath the padding where you can put a whole bunch of storage items. The first storage item section here is right at about 2.5 by a little less than 2.5, and from a depth standpoint, it's right there at about, I'd say a little less than 1/2 inch. This section here is right at a little over 2 1/4 by 5 7/8. Then you have another section here that is a little over maybe 4 3/8 by about 1.5. And then you have enough room here for basically a long pen or a pencil, as you can see there. And then you have another duplicate section here that is about 3 1/4 by about 1.5. So if you're looking for something to have the convenience of never having to search for very important things might be, like a flash drive, a pen, pencil, even maybe something to have it right there in front of you, something to clean the monitor screen off. You can have that folded up, nice, neat in there. Markers, anything that was, is small to fit, paper clips, things that are kind of not too bulky, but you might want to have at your convenience right there, nice and neat. This is, I would say, a very cool, didn't even think these things existed, 2-in-1 wrist pad and storage case. Hope this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.